In this video you'll learn how to send your members notifications via SMS text message and also by app notification. Both useful methods, particularly for sending your members information which may be quite urgent or you want to get in front of your members perhaps better than an email might do. So from communications at the top, we'll start with app notifications, which sits at the top of communications, and by clicking on that you can see the compose and history. Heading into history shows you anything that has been sent previously. It will also give you some information about how much success and failure there has been with these communications. Now bear in mind that this is a test system, so you're not going to see any information here, but typically in a live environment you would be able to see the success, the failed and the converted, i.e. those that had clicked or opened any target URLs in this area. So to create, we go to app notification and compose. Provide a message. The title we can't change. The title is remains Barrett Golf Club in this instance, and it would remain your golf club name, which is set through the settings within ClubV1. And it is literally as simple as typing a message to tell the members something. So it could be something like, don't forget the happy hour today between 4 PM and 5 PM in the clubhouse. So something short and snappy. As you can see, there's a character count here. Got 90 characters left. That's so it fits within the app notification within a mobile phone, so it sits on the home screen and your members will be able to see that quite clearly. You can filter it. You can filter it based on gents and ladies. So for this we're going to send it to all our members. And if you want to embed within the message a target URL, so when they click on it, it takes them to somewhere. You may, for example, if you want to send them to a news article, perhaps put the target URL as a news article, which will expand the information there. Good idea, particularly if you're advertising maybe a captain's weekend or a meal of some sort, and you can only put a limited amount of information within the app notification. It's a good idea to have a target URL which takes them to somewhere else in the website, which expands on that, maybe has the menu, prices, etc, etc. So we're going to confirm that, and by confirming it just gives you a quick chance to review it, make sure you're happy with the information that you're going to send, because once you press submit, that will get sent through to the members with a mobile phone, etc, that are connected to the app via their settings. Further in communications, we've got the SMS. So to use the SMS functionality, you do need to purchase credits. You can do that at the top here. Before we do so, when you first go into SMS, and every now and again you may be asked to put a sender identifier in there. Again, ideally, you know, your golf club name would be a good idea. I'm going to save that setting. And we're going to add some credits. I'm not actually going to do this. We've got 498 credits. That's going to last a fair amount of time. But as you can see here, you can select a bundle at 6p per credit. 5,000, 2,000, 1,000 or 500. And by clicking the I agree and topping up, your club will be invoiced for this. So do make sure that you actually do want to do this, because you will be invoiced the amount that is shown on the screen there when you top up. And then to send a communication, again, as simple as send an SMS, type the details into here, continue through, and at this point we can add the recipients. There's various ways in which we can add the recipients by a filter, where you might have a specific filter that you want to send them to, or you may simply just want to add a field. On this occasion there is where the person has a balance on their account between certain values. I'm going to get rid of that. Let's add a field in of, let's say we will have a category. Here's a good idea. Let's add that filter in, and then from there we can choose the categories that we wish to receive. So we may say that on this occasion we don't want to send it to perhaps anybody that's resigned, anybody that's restricted, and we don't want to send it to anybody with a range card. Okay, happy with that, we would press apply, and assuming we are happy again, we press apply, and it will tell us we're going to send that to 85 people. So that's 85 people with mobile phone numbers if they've got them. If they haven't got a mobile phone, obviously it won't send them a text message, and clearly it won't charge you for that. If we continue through, it is going to tell you there are 76 recipients that do not have a mobile phone number. Obviously this is a test system. Naturally your system will likely have most people with a mobile phone. Once you press send, that's it. It will be sent like a normal text message is sent from mobile phone to mobile phone, and the recipient will receive that, and you will of course be deducted the credits. We're not going to send that, but we can see here also the top-up history that we have had, and you can see when any top-ups have been made, so you can reconcile that against any invoices that you have.